When you're happy, you're fast. You laugh, you scroll, you eat, you move on. But sadness puts you in slow motion. Suddenly you're staring out of a window like you're in a movie. Even if it's just raining, and you don't even like rain. Sadness forces you to pause. And humans don't pause often. We're always rushing. Next video, next message, next goal, next snack. Sadness is like your brain saying, "Hey, stop, sit, look inside for a second." That's why it feels meaningful, because meaning usually lives in moments when we slow down. Here's another weird thing. Sadness makes us honest. When you're happy, you lie a little. You say, "I'm fine," and you actually mean it. When you're sad, you can't fake it. You suddenly start admitting things like, "Yeah, I miss that person. Maybe that dream mattered more than I thought." Sadness is like emotional Wi-Fi. It connects people who would otherwise just nod and move on. Ever notice how sad songs hit harder at night? It's not because the song changed. It's because you're quiet enough to feel it. Happiness is loud. Sadness whispers. And whispers make you lean in. But here's an important reminder. Listen carefully. Just because sadness feels meaningful does not mean you're supposed to live there. Sadness is a visitor, not a permanent roommate. It shows up, rearranges your thoughts, eats your mental snacks, and leaves you with a lesson. If it stays too long, it stops being meaningful and starts being heavy. The goal isn't to chase sadness. The goal is to understand it. Ask it questions. What did I lose? What do I care about? What part of me needs attention? Then thank it and slowly let it go. Because here's the plot twist. Sadness feels meaningful because it points to something you love. You're sad because. And truth, whether it's uncomfortable or not, always feels important. Now let's talk about memories. Why do sad memories stick harder than happy ones? You might forget 20 normal good days, but one sad evening, your brain saves it in HD. You remember what you were wearing, what song was playing, what you were thinking at 2:47 a.m. for absolutely no reason. That's because sadness tells your brain, this matters. Don't forget this. From an emotional survival point of view, it makes sense. Your brain wants you to learn, and apparently, it thinks pain is a very good teacher. Annoying? Yes. Effective? Unfortunately, also yes. Now here's the part no one talks about. Sadness connects us. You don't bond deeply with someone by saying, "Yeah, bro, my life is perfect." You bond when someone says, "Honestly, I'm struggling." Suddenly, walls drop. You listen more. You care more.